Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Being afraid. An American president once said, "The only thing you have to fear is fear itself." Can't remember wise president, but never mind. I think that's an interesting quote. It's so true. Most of the time, we all spend a lot of time worried or afraid that something bad will happen and then nothing happens. It is the fear that frightens us, not the thing that might or might not happen. And then there are phobias. Millions of people are afraid of something that the rest of the world thinks is quite normal. How can you be afraid of things like peanut butter? There's actually a fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of your mouth. Amazing. Fear is sometimes good. It makes us alert and can keep us safe in dangerous situations. Thank you.